So we're coming to you today to talk a little bit about the impact that the installation of sound panels had here at Heartland Free Will Baptist Church. It's amazing the way that a room sounds just by itself. Rooms that are hard walls, reflective surfaces, can create a lot of energy that doesn't go away without the deployment of sound panels. So we're not able to change the wall shapes or the structure in the church as it stands, but what we can do is we can deploy custom size acoustic panels in strategic locations to help with the feeling of the room sounding intimate. We know that a lot of times people are worried about making the room sound like a studio, and that's not what we're out to do. We are out to just reduce early reflections and some of the intelligibility factors that are problematic. And Heartland has a very square room, and with the deployment of multiple rows of acoustic panels, we're able to really tame the room down so you don't hear the flutter and the slapback that just makes it hard to understand spoken word and hear the voices in worship. We then came back and installed new speakers and a new digital console, gave the room a fresh tuning, and it's just a completely different environment. At Sound & Church, we really strive to put a lot of attention in really every area of our installation. So we're having a great time installing sound panels, putting speakers up, but most importantly, we're having a good time thinking about the details, how things are done that you might not ever see. You may never see the connections under the stage or up in the air, but know that we're looking at them and we care about it, and those connections are what they need to be. One of our goals with Sound & Church is to set the church up for success when we're not there. So what that means is that we are going to walk through the system components, the operation, the troubleshooting, the optimization. We are going to walk through each of these segments with you. In addition, our goal is to make better sound engineers in the church. So we're trying to build relationships. We want to follow up and to give you all the resources to have great worship experiences and to let go of the anxiety. If you think that there's any room for improvement at your church with the fidelity of sound or with the training of your volunteers, please reach out. Give us a call, send us a message, and let's come out and have some time at your church making things awesome.